Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is CA Rohit Upadhyaya, Indian Chartered Accountant and lawyer by profession. From experience perspective, I have served Government of India, Ministry of Charity, Department of Education as regional CFO from 2001 to 2008. From 2008 onwards to till date, I am working in various African destinations at top C-suite level leadership role, initially starting from Tanzania, from there to Uganda, from Uganda to Zambia, from Zambia to Nigeria, from Nigeria to Ghana, from Ghana to Malawi. Currently, I am working as a country CFO for one of the top world well-known multinational company. Now, the basic purpose of this video is take into consideration the corona situation. The returns on investment, especially the developing and developed countries, have dramatically gone down. So basically the intention and the perspective is to give an opportunity to investors, especially the European investors, the USA investors and Asian investors, how they can make good rate of returns on their investment while investing in African destination. Hi, with reference to our previous introduction, kindly allow me to share this screen, which will allow you to understand the intricacies of these discussions, please. So basically, these are our credentials, rather my credentials as a CA Rohit Upadhyaya, my LinkedIn profile, my WhatsApp number, and my email ID. So the point of deliberation here is exploring profitable business investments in Africa. So first of all, we have to explain who we are. So myself, CA Rohit Upadhyaya, qualified Indian CA year 99, followed by LLB year 2000, working in various C-suite leadership positions across Africa locations since year 2018 onward to till date. My core competencies includes fundraising, business strategic planning, merger and acquisitions, corporate finance, investment banking, financial modeling, risk assessment and mitigation, team building and leadership, and business restructuring. Rich and extensive experience of arranging finances in emerging markets for projects through long-term debts from multinational commercial bank, Exim banks, DFIs, private equity firms, etc. Since last 5 years, along with the other consortium of professionals involved in providing funds, that includes private equity in form of joint ventures, medium-term loans for profitable startup business ventures across Africa, investment ranging from European, American, as well as Asian investors, ranging from USD $1 million to up to USD $1 billion. Currently managing investment portfolio, that is a foreign direct investment of around USD 5 billion since inception in various Africa locations. All joint ventures FDI, around 60% of the total portfolio, have started making net profit after tax percentage, that is of sales, in range of 10 to 30% within 2 to 3 years from the date of operations. All the medium-term loans in case of all operational projects have been paid back to all investors along with the agreed accrued interest well before the agreed timelines in memorandum of understanding. Our modus operandi operation: undertake market research to identify the profitable ventures in respective African locations, undertake feasibility studies based upon SWOT analysis, then creation of the tentative business plan for startup companies, identifying the lines of operations, getting the startup company duly incorporated and registered with all the relevant laws of the respective African countries. Negotiating JV or medium-term loan with foreign investor for greenfield, brownfield, and the other startup African projects. Signing of MOU with concerned investor for FDI investment in the concerned African country. Then recruiting of all expat as well as local staff along with provision infrastructure to make the company operational. Sharing of the periodical financial statement, normally we do on quarterly basis with investors to analyze the growth of the projects. So that is how our modus operandi or the strategies normally we adopt while dealing with various investors. We have entered the memorandum of understanding. Benefits of private investment in Africa locations. So first is the natural resources. Africa has a lot of natural resources ranging from oil and diamonds to gold and uranium. And basically they remain untapped due to low human density along with lack of infrastructure and financing. So basically here more or less we are primarily focusing on availing of the financing resources to Africa, various business infrastructures. Large population. Africa population accounts for around 17% of the world, with nearly 1.4 billion people living in more than 60 territories as of 2021. It creates a huge market for consumable goods. That is what we are talking about, the FMCG, such as telecommunications as well as banking. Lack of development. These nations remain a bit underdeveloped with per capita income that lags behind the rest of the world. There may be a huge chance of growth in future as its population grows and becomes wealthier. Another one, very cheap local labor, skilled and unskilled. Higher rate of return on investment owing to monopolized or untapped market. Very friendly foreign direct investment norms for inward and outward remittance and approval of funds, especially in the countries like Uganda, Ghana, Zambia, Nigeria, Tanzania, Mozambique, Morocco, Egypt, and Kenya. And these are the major countries we are focusing while bringing in all the foreign direct investment plays. Very cheap and readily available natural resources. Less bureaucracy in various government approvals and expeditious procedure. Easier process of getting work permits for the expat for the specialized job. Now, these are the probable profitable ventures we have identified in Africa. And basically, we are focusing during the course of various MOU signed with various European investors or the American investor, even the Asian investors. So first one is agriculture-based manufacturing and trading industries. Then we talk about the healthcare sector, then tire importation, then electric automobiles. That is really relevant in the current scenario. Then freight forwarding services, coffee and cashew processing and export. And from Ghana perspective, we can obviously talk about the teak wood export, and basically we can talk about the pineapple export also. Franchisee FMCG product like KFC, Starbucks and Pizza Hut, event and waste management company, investment in education institute, forest bureaus, fishing industries, sports betting and gaming, commercial farming like cassava, banana, maize, and sweet potato, gold and silver exploration, as well as the other mineral exploration also. Oil exploration, the activities are already there in Nigeria, Ghana, overseas Angola. Then flight catering, shopping mall, that includes the FMCD chain, the FMCG chain, as well as gymnasium also. High-speed diesel for flights, restaurant chain, including the Indian restaurant, the Chinese restaurant, salon and spa, then pharmacy, road construction. Basically, these are the government projects, basically, which needs to be developed. Then creation of the railway system. I want to emphasize Uganda still a lot to be done. In Ghana, already a lot of things have been done by IRCON. And the other African countries also, there's a lot of scope of creation of the railway system. Then manufacturing of fruit juice, water and fruit pulp, airport maintenance, then hospitality industries. I want to emphasize we do have fully incorporated and registered startup profitable African companies available in various locations of East Africa. In case of interest in this project, kindly feel to contact us on my email ID, that is rohit_ambika2003@redifmail.com. My LinkedIn connection or contact is also given here. And my mobile and WhatsApp number is +91 9897 902773. Thanks a lot for hearing patiently to my deliberation. Thanks a lot. Take care. Goodbye. God bless you.